Hey guys, it's Yuna here. Welcome back to another Wild Horse Islands video. As you can see, I got a new IUH. I swapped it for my flowery one. So yeah, I'm really happy. So today we are going to be yeah, I think we're just gonna be like breathing or something. But yeah. Oh, yeah, I just fell. So I forgot what we're gonna do right now, but oh yeah, now I remember. So I'm gonna show you all something. Wait, there's a wild Andalusian and a wild thoroughbred. I have to catch those. Okay, we got that. And I have my volume down because I'm not sure if you guys will hear my voice properly with the Wild Horse Islands background music. So, yeah. Alright, so now we are going to sell this. And after that, I'm going to make an announcement. Because, yeah. So let's just sell these horses real quick. Because I need the money. I have my face so close to my iPad because I don't think you guys will be able to hear me. There, we got some tokens. Now, over here, you can see the latest update that Forest Island and Mountain Island have been redesigned. And there's two new island unique horses, the Bay Leopard Appaloosa, which you can find on Forest Island, and the Buckskin Clydesdale that you can find on Mountain. The islands have been grouped and separated into their own servers, so that makes us easier to like find IUHs or island unique hairs. So yeah. So here you can see it says that when Forest Island and Mountain Island have been redesigned, you can find two new horse coats on those islands. So I've been thinking, here on the next update, it says the Dutch Warm Blood plus the Blizzard Island redesign is coming in 3 days. So they're like coming together as partners, because yeah, I'm sure Wild Horse Islands has plenty more of events coming. That's why they added the Dutch Warm Blood and the Blizzard Island redesign together. So since Blizzard Island is getting a redesign in 3 days, maybe there will be like a new horse coat that will be the island unique coat, like on Forest and Mountain, because I don't know, it just came to me. So maybe Wild Horse Islands we will put a new rare coat with Blizzard Island, but we don't know what that coat is because they didn't announce it. But it says that the Dutch Warm Blood will come with the Blizzard Island. So maybe the new island unique coat will be a Dutch Warm Blood, you know? Because, I don't know, I think that would be pretty cool since the two updates are coming together. And all islands have like the unique coat, especially mainland, you know? Wait, I forgot what was the one in mainland, but yeah. So maybe that Blizzard Island will have a new island unique code instead of the Snowflake Appaloosa. Wait. This one instead of this. Because this is from Blizzard. You can find these at Blizzard. They're actually pretty cool. But yeah, I'm just like, this is just a theory, but I think maybe that Blizzard Island would get a new island unique code. So when the event comes out, I will totally post this, and I will give you guys an update if there will be a new island unique code. So bye guys, stay safe, and please subscribe.